Hi, I'm Paul Bonner. With warmer weather finally here, it's the perfect time to get your Toyota ready for the road with these limited time specials at Conicelli Toyota. Kick things off with our oil change and tire rotation. It's starting at just $89.95. Fresh oil keeps your engine running smooth, and rotating your tires helps them wear evenly, so you can hit the road with confidence. Next, breathe a little easier with our 15% discount on a cabin filter replacement. A clean filter blocks out dust, pollen, and pollutants. Perfect for allergy season and keeping your cabin air fresh. See the savings with our buy one, get one free wiper blade special. Stay safe with clear visibility during unexpected storms for half the price. And don't forget Toyota Service Care, now just $275. It includes 2 years scheduled free maintenance, like oil changes and tire rotations, plus 24-hour roadside assistance. Peace of mind, all in one package. Don't wait. These offers expire at the end of June. Schedule your visit now by calling 888-289-5948 or simply go online at conicelliservice.com. Conicelli Toyota, a nice place to do business.